Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, I'm just going to do a quick and easy tutorial for you today, just featuring one of my latest releases from Dixie plates. This plate here is the Mega Mani Mix 02 and it released this Saturday just gone. So I'm going to use an image from the plate. I'm actually going to use this one here. I'm going to use some Magpie products. I'm going to use Fancy Nancy, and I'm going to be also using this gorgeous pigment called Shelley, and a bit of stamping. So I will list what I use in the description bar below, and I'm not going to talk a lot. I'm going to get straight on with the tutorial. Oh, and the other thing I'm using is my awesome hand. This is Elsa, and I've got a couple of tutorials and a review on this already. This is the most realistic practice hand I've seen, so I'm going to be using her today. So let's get on with it. Okay, so that is the finished nails. Super simple, and it's a really easy but really pretty technique. So literally all I did was finish the nails off to the top coat. Then it's a no wipe top coat, so I used Magpie's Don't Be Tacky. Then I stamped, and then I burnished the pigment in. So the pigment will only stick to the places on the nail where there is no stamping. And as you can see, you can really see Fancy Nancy underneath, but it's got this beautiful gold sheen to it. So lovely, super easy. You can do this with any colours. It works really well with chameleon pigments as well. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. As I mentioned, it was a new stamping plate that I used. It released on Saturday. It's the Dixie Plates Mega Mani Mix 2. Everything else I used was Magpie, bar my stamping bits and bobs, and the Twinkle Tea stamping polish. So I'll link everything below. If you like the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions on application, or you need a hand with anything, pop it in the comments box and I'll get back to you. I will leave links to everything I use below, and please subscribe if you haven't, guys. I really appreciate your support. I will catch you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.